In this video, I'm going to show you how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So open the TikTok app. Once opened, tap on profile. The quickest way to disable this is to tap on the footprint or any profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. This will load your profile views. Tap on the setting gear beside the profile view, and here you'll be able to toggle your profile view off. You'll be able to see people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. So to view people's TikTok profile without them knowing, you'd also have to give up knowing that they viewed yours. So you can toggle this off and you'll no more be able to see the profile views. You can also access this if you can't find it here by tapping on the 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. This will open your settings and privacy. Under settings, tap privacy and then scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see profile views. Tap on profile views and toggle off on profile views. So thank you for watching this video on how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.